Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World toy review video. Today we'll be taking a look at a mass lot of Canadian exclusive figures. These are figures, well, not technically Canadian exclusives. These will hit the States or already have hit the States, such as the gallimimus and the Troodon. But these two figures in the middle, I'm not sure if the packaging variants have hit the States just yet. And these guys are released in the Primal Attack lineup packaging as well. And we've also got the new Spinosaurus and some of these new really beautiful and adorable Imaginex Camp Cretaceous minis. Their packaging is very neat. They've got a kind of front gate-like look to them, which is really cool. And you can see this one's the Albertosaurus, which wasn't featured in Camp Cretaceous, as well as the Spinosaurus is a figure in this as well. Another animal we haven't seen in Camp Cretaceous yet. We also get Rexy, and we get a brand new look at Bumpy in this very compact design. A really big fan of this look. Love this figure, and definitely the others in the lineup as well. So I'm pretty sure these will also be hitting the States as well. They've been leaked before online, images of them and whatnot. And there's a few more in this lineup, so that's exciting to see when they come out in the future. Some of the other Camp Cretaceous figures, such as the Spinosaurus and these two massive biters, have the typical package design with the camp tree houses in the background and the main characters on the box. And it's very interesting to note that most of the Walmarts up here get like limited stock. We get like 1 or 2 figures per box, which is pretty weird per store, but hopefully they do fix the shipping and the distribution of these figures. I have seen quite a few on eBay as well, not of these newer kind of packaging variants, but I have seen a few Spinos, but definitely not the Camp Cretaceous minis either. But it's interesting to note that, again, these guys also came out in the States, the Troodon and the Gallimimus, as well as the Dimorphodon, though I haven't seen that figure. Definitely must be a little bit more rare. Maybe they have 1 or 2 per box compared to multiple, which is interesting, but I did get mine, so it's in the collection now. Anyways, hope you guys liked and enjoyed this kind of slightly in-depth look at these figures. I will be doing individual unboxings of these newer box variants of the 2 massive biters, as well as the mini Imaginex figures. So if you'd like to get an even closer look at these guys, you'll be able to check out my future videos, which I'll be making soon, as well as there are videos out on the Gallimimus, Troodon, and Spinosaurus figures on my channel. If you want to look at those, maybe grab their scan codes, go ahead and do so. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.